Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to change your password on Facebook, of course, first thing is just simply select your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you're using an Apple device, it will be at the bottom, the home screen. Now, first go to Now. Next thing, go to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. From here, select See More in Account Center. And now down below, you should be able to see here password and security. So just simply tap on it. And now you should be able to see here change password. Tap on it. And now just simply select your account. Of course, our Facebook account over here. Now just simply provide your current password at the top over here. And then provide your new password and just simply retype your new password over here to confirm it, and make sure to follow the guidelines that it must be 6 characters and should include combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Now you should have an option over here as well to log out of other devices when you change the password, and just simply select change password at the bottom. And that's simply about it. Just simply follow the steps that I showed you, and you will be able to change the password. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.